Andrew Dye here with Alison Keay from Unity Homes. We're here on the site of a Xyla project in Hancock, New Hampshire. We're going to do a little tour around and check on progress. Alison, what can you tell us? Just a quick overview of this project.
So this is one of our Xyla designs. It's made up of a 28 by 32 size Xyla with the vaulted ceiling option, and then has our 16 by 16 connector that houses a stair to the basement level because this has a sloped site and requires a walkout basement.
All right, let's take a look inside.
So this is inside the 16 by 16 connector. We use these components for entryways. Sometimes they're connecting to a garage. In this case, it's housing the stair to the basement, a powder room, and a coat closet.
See if I can get that powder room and the coat closet. All right, should we head into the main part of the house?
We're walking into what we call the main volume of the house. So this is the very typical of the 28 by 32 Xyla layout, where we have the timber frame kind of separating the living, kitchen, dining area that's all open here with with two bedrooms usually. One room here is going to act as a master bedroom for the couple, and over here we have an office. This is the perfect state to showcase our shell package. You'll see that we have interior framed walls and our insulated panels on the exterior. You're able to see something called our pack-out layer. Within our pack-out layer, we have a 2x3 followed by the interior OSB, which is air sealed. Beyond that would be our insulation, 9.5 inches of dense packed cellulose. And on the outside, we use a zip exterior sheathing. And you can see that with our pack-out layers, we provide these notches, which are for running the electrical communication wires, sometimes PEX tubing, within the wall, but it won't be affecting our insulation or air barrier. And the drywall will get applied right to this 2x3 layer. And you'll see this here is the blocking that will allow the cabinets to be hung. This here is an example of our European tilt-turn windows. The brand we use is Logic, and we'll showcase its operation here. This would be the turn function, so we turn the handle one way and it swings into the space, allows for nice easy cleaning. We can also put it in and turn the handle up to have it lean in. And this is more of the ventilation mode. This is kind of the leave your window open ventilation. They do come with screens as well, and you'll have choices around the divided light. This is a 2/1 style window. And the kitchen sink will go right here.
How will the space be heated and cooled?
Up here, high on the wall, you can see it's boxed in, but that is a Mitsubishi head unit, because the homes are based off of air source heat pump systems. So that'll be providing heating and cooling for this large open space that's the living, kitchen, dining area. And downstairs, we'll see a mini-air system that's supplying some of the extra heating and cooling to the bedrooms.
So Alison, you mentioned that this is the version of the Xyla that has the insulated roof panels and the vaulted ceilings. Can you talk a little bit about the loft space that results?
Yes. So in the middle here, you'll see the timber frame that divides the spaces into halves. And for above these bedrooms back here is a flat ceiling, which allows for a floor of what can be a loft system up above. Our designs have options as to what size that loft can be. And it also has the options to include the windows on either end. This design will use about half of the space for conditioned attic space and storage, and the other half will be a nice loft area. The loft will be accessed by a unique library ladder that has a very low profile and doesn't have to stick out into the space, but can give somebody access to the loft.
All right, maybe we can get back here and see that after it's done. That'll be interesting.
So here we are in the main bedroom suite. This space will be heated by its own wall-mounted head unit for heating and cooling. It has some nice light, and through here they'll have access to an ensuite bathroom and laundry area. So here we are, this will be their door to their back deck. Unity also provided framing and timber frame for an exterior deck back here. And as you can see, this is a fixed panel to allow for the full light, but it has an increased energy efficiency because it allows for a tighter seal than a slider door or something like that. So this will open as a swing. These are also triple pane like our windows. And you can also see that they've chosen different colors on the interior and exterior. So the inside they've gone with a white for the design and aesthetic of the interior, and on the outside they've gone with a black. And it is the 2/1 to match the style of the windows as well. So that'll allow them nice access to the back deck for grilling in the summer.
Should we head down to the basement?
Yeah, let's go ahead to the basement. This is a construction grade stair that's included with the Unity shell package. So these are kind of temporary bracing that will be replaced by the local builder with a finished half wall or a railing. You can see also that it's nice and vaulted above here. It creates a really nice open space. Here we are down in the basement. This is a little over 10-foot ceiling height down here. The homeowners wanted the extra height down here because it does have some finished living space, or it will have. So in here will be another bedroom with windows, because this is a walkout basement, so it has a full wall using our insulated panels that walks out to grade. They've also designed in an extra bathroom down here as well.
Kind of funny to see the caution tape there. I guess that's just to keep people away from that tub shower unit.
Yeah, I think it's to protect the tub from contractors walking on it. This is planned to be a rec room, so this will be finished space as well, and it will be heated down here with a wall-mounted head unit as well for heating and cooling. There'll be access to the outside through the door over here. And as you can see, there's some nice window and light that's afforded by the walkout basement.
Yeah, a lot of nice light down here.
Let's take a look in here at the mechanical space. So this is planned to be all storage over here and kind of a mechanical corner over here. We can see the minute air system here, which is serving for ventilation for the home. So all of the bathroom exhausts are going to run through this unit, and it's also supplying some of the extra heating for the individual rooms as well. Now we're underneath the deck that was included in the shell package with Unity. It is a pre-framed deck system that we built in our shops, and it comes with the timber frame system on piers that is also designed and pre-finished in our shop. From the back here, the Xyla really does look like a two-story house. It has the spaces down below with walkout to grade, and the main level kind of up above. The homeowners here opted for a metal roof, and that was part of the local builder's scope to install. We hope that this video of the Xyla shell was helpful, and we'll try to come back and do some more videos to help inform the rest of the process.